Welcome students. This is fourth video on chapter 10 Moving Near and Far. In this video we will learn about waterways and important ocean and sea routes. Waterways. Waterways are the slowest but the cheapest means of transport. So waterways, they are slowest or they are very slow, but they are also cheapest means of transport. In the beginning, people used rafts to cross rivers and lakes. And what are rafts? Rafts are logs of wood tied together. Later, boats were made. After the invention of steam engine, ships came into being. So after steam engine was invented, people started making ships which ran with the help of power generated by steam engine. Nowadays, big and luxurious ships are used to carry people. Now we have very big size and luxurious ships which have all the facilities in them. They are used to carry people. Bulky goods. Large ships to carry goods are called cargo ships. So what are cargo ships? These are very big size ships which carry heavy loads or goods from one country to another. Bulky goods are transported to other countries by cargo ships. Petroleum is carried through waterways by using oil tankers. Water transport. Water transport is cheap because it does not require building of any roads or railway lines. Now, why this water transport is so cheap? Why is it the cheapest means of transport? Because it does not require to build any roads or railway lines or railway tracks. It just requires good ports. And what are ports? Ports are the place where the goods are loaded and unloaded. Mumbai is the busiest port of India. Rivers and lakes can be used for transportation within the country. See, if we want to go within the country, we can use rivers and lakes for transportation. This type of water transport is known as inland waterways. Rivers like Ganga and Brahmaputra in India, Huanghe in China, Danube in Europe, and Nile and Congo in Africa are used as a means of inland waterways. However, to travel to different countries, you need to sail over oceans and seas. If you want to travel to other countries, you need to travel by oceans or seas. Important sea and ocean routes of the world. See, the North Atlantic Sea Route. It is an important sea route in the world and it connects Eastern North America to Western Europe. And it is the busiest route in the world. Then the Suez Canal, which connects Mediterranean Sea to Red Sea through Egypt. It was opened in 1860. The Suez Canal was opened in 1869. Because of this canal, ships do not have to travel around Africa to travel between Asia and Europe. So this Suez Canal, which connects Mediterranean Sea to Red Sea through Egypt, it was opened in 1869. Because of this canal, now the ships, it reduced the distance. Okay. So now the ships do not have to travel around Africa, okay, to travel between Asia and Europe. If one wants to travel between Asia and Europe, one does not have to travel around Africa. The Panama Canal connects Atlantic Ocean with Pacific Ocean. It was opened in 1914. Because of this canal, ships do not have to travel around South America to go from Atlantic Ocean to Pacific Ocean.